Ang galing. Oh my gosh, grabe. You know,
Wow, that was nice.
oh,
my goodness.
lucky, right?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Thank you,
God,
thank you
yeah,
very
dream come
much.
true. Maraming salamat, Manila talaga.
Yes.
All right.
Well,
Anyway, you know, we would like to acknowledge the presence of another up-and-coming OPM composer who we have collaborated with. And I'm sorry, guys. You know, this is a huge shout-out. Excited ako kasi kaibigan ko to eh. No? Lumaki ako, kasama ko to. So si Ronnie Lee. There you are. There you are. You know, so he composed this next song. Ang title nito is Sounds of Manila.
hey.
Team song namin. Imagine. Thank you, Kuya Ronnie. Maraming salamat, Ronnie. Para sa iyo to, para sa lahat. Sana makabalik kami dito para ma-promote natin ang ganda to, di ba?
That's on our next tour.
Alright, next year daw. Are you coming to our next show?
Yes.
Alright, kasama na natin sila sa States.
Alright.
Kalero ba nila? Okay, so, let's do it. Run! For you.